Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw crypto from Bybit to Binance, step by step and super easy. By the way, if you haven't signed up on Bybit yet, check the video description for the sign up link to register and get a $20 USDT bonus. Alright, let's begin. Open your Bybit app and go to your Assets tab. Here, you'll see two accounts, Funding account and Unified Trading account. To withdraw, your crypto must be on the funding account. So if your funds are under Unified Trading, you need to transfer them first. Go to your Unified Trading account, tap the transfer button. Make sure it's set to transfer from Unified Trading to funding account. Now choose the crypto you want to move. I'll pick USDT. Enter the amount and hit confirm. Great, I've successfully moved my crypto to the funding account. Next, go to your funding account and tap withdraw. Select the crypto you want to send again. I'll use USDT. Here, you paste your Binance deposit address. Now open your Binance app. If you don't have Binance account yet, check the video description for the sign up link to register. Tap deposit. Select the same token, in this case USDT, and choose the network. I'll go with BNB Smart Chain BP20. You can either scan the QR code or copy your deposit address. I'll copy mine. Back on Bybit, paste the Binance deposit address here. Choose the same network, which is BNB Smart Chain. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Once everything looks good, tap withdraw and confirm. Then complete the security verification. Great, my withdrawal request has been submitted. Now let's wait for a few minutes for it to arrive on my Binance account.
Few minutes later.
After a short wait, I check my Binance app and yes, the deposit has been added successfully. And that's it. That's how you withdraw crypto from Bybit to Binance easily. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.